Beneath the undulating surface of oceans spanning the globe, the orca glides with unparalleled mastery, a silhouette of both grace and power. Scientifically known as Orcinus orca, the killer whale is a member of the dolphin family, yet it occupies a position unmatched in terms of predatory dominance. Evolutionary adaptations over millions of years have honed its formidable body, advanced sensory systems, and complex social structures, ensuring its survival across diverse marine environments, from icy Arctic waters to temperate coasts. Physically, the orca is an apex predator built for power and agility. Adult males can reach lengths of up to 9 meters and weigh over 6,000 kilograms, with robust musculature enabling bursts of speed and strength to capture prey with precision. Its iconic black and white coloration is not merely aesthetic, the contrasting patterns provide disruptive camouflage, confusing prey and concealing its approach from beneath or above. A tall dorsal fin, especially prominent in adult males, signals dominance within pods and serves a hydrodynamic function during rapid movement through water. The orca's adaptations extend beyond mere size and coloration. Echolocation allows precise navigation and prey detection, even in dark or murky waters. Teeth, conical and powerful, enable the capture of seals, fish, and even large whales, while the jaw's strength ensures an almost unparalleled killing efficiency. Respiratory and circulatory adaptations support extended dives and rapid bursts of speed, reflecting a predator finely tuned to both stealth and power. Sensory organs are highly developed, including acute hearing for echolocation clicks and subtle underwater communication cues, vital for coordinating sophisticated group hunting tactics. Social structures define much of the orca's existence. Living in pods that range from a few individuals to extended matrilineal groups, orcas display extraordinary cohesion and intelligence. These pods maintain stable hierarchies and utilize complex vocalizations, unique to each clan, to communicate, coordinate hunting, and navigate across vast ocean expanses. Cultural transmission of hunting techniques is observed. Juveniles learn strategies from older members, ensuring the persistence of specialized skills and increasing survival success. Such social learning distinguishes orcas from many other marine predators, revealing a level of intelligence and cultural complexity rarely seen outside humans. Hunting behavior demonstrates tactical genius. Orcas employ team strategies adapted to prey type, environment, and season. In Arctic regions, coordinated efforts allow breaches of ice floes to capture seals. Along coasts, they may beach temporarily to ambush sea lions or use wave-washing techniques to dislodge penguins from ice. Pods utilize communication to synchronize attacks, with individuals assuming specific roles to herd, confuse, or isolate prey. Dietary flexibility ensures survival in diverse habitats. Some pods specialize in fish, while others target marine mammals or even sharks, demonstrating cultural specialization within populations. As the ocean swells and currents shift, the orca's social intelligence emerges as a defining feature. Within pods, individuals maintain intricate relationships, exhibiting behaviors that reveal empathy, cooperation, and even play. Mothers invest heavily in their calves, nursing them for up to 2 years and providing guidance in hunting, navigation, and social cues. Calves observe elders to learn specialized techniques, from tail slap hunting to strategic herding of prey. This prolonged developmental period ensures that knowledge is transmitted across generations, creating persistent cultural traditions within each pod. Communication is complex and highly nuanced. Orcas produce a repertoire of clicks, whistles, and pulse calls that serve purposes ranging from echolocation to social bonding. Each pod possesses a unique dialect, a linguistic signature that maintains group cohesion and identity across generations. Through these vocalizations, orcas coordinate hunts, maintain spatial awareness of pod members, and even convey emotional states, demonstrating an intelligence that rivals many terrestrial mammals. Reproductive strategies are intimately tied to social structure. Females reach sexual maturity around 10 to 15 years of age, while males mature later and often rely on their established social standing within the pod to secure mating opportunities. Long-term bonds between mothers and offspring influence reproductive success and survival, ensuring that the next generation benefits from accumulated experience and strategic knowledge. The matrilineal hierarchy ensures stability, with leadership often guided by the oldest, most experienced females who direct movements, foraging, and protective strategies for the entire pod. Hunting techniques exemplify tactical sophistication. Pods adapt methods to target different prey, sometimes employing unique strategies that reflect environmental challenges. In regions with dense fish schools, orcas may use sonar precision to herd and isolate individuals, while in coastal environments, wave creation techniques flush prey from rocks or ice. Collaborative hunting is not random. Roles are assigned within pods, reflecting a level of planning, foresight, and communication rarely observed in non-human species. Such behaviors emphasize the orca's cognitive capabilities and underscore its position at the apex of the marine food chain. Predation is not only a means of sustenance but also a social and cultural process. Hunting allows pods to maintain cohesion, transfer skills, and assert dominance within marine territories. Dietary specialization varies by region, with some pods exhibiting unique prey preferences, fish, marine mammals, or sharks, demonstrating learned behaviors passed from generation to generation. This cultural diversity among pods illustrates the orca's flexibility and intelligence, adapting to environmental pressures while maintaining sophisticated social structures. Beneath the rolling waves, the orca asserts its influence as both predator and ecological regulator. Its feeding habits control populations of fish, seals, penguins, and even other cetaceans, maintaining balance across marine food webs. By targeting weaker, sick, or young individuals, orcas strengthen prey populations, promoting resilience and genetic health within ecosystems. Their predatory presence also shapes the behavior of other marine species, influencing migration, schooling patterns, and habitat use, demonstrating a ripple effect of ecological control that extends far beyond direct predation. The orca's physical and cognitive adaptations are intertwined with its environmental mastery. Echolocation allows precise detection of prey over long distances, even under ice or in murky waters. A combination of speed, strength, and teamwork enables coordinated attacks that maximize hunting efficiency while minimizing energy expenditure. Observing orcas in the wild reveals deliberate planning. Individuals spread out, isolate targets, and respond dynamically to the movements of prey. These behaviors reflect intelligence, foresight, and cultural learning, confirming that orcas are not merely instinct-driven hunters but sophisticated strategists of the ocean. Pod dynamics further illustrate their social sophistication. Long-term bonds between matriarchs, adults, and calves ensure stability and intergenerational knowledge transfer. Calves watch and mimic, gradually acquiring specialized hunting techniques, navigation skills, and social understanding essential for survival. Older females guide movements across territories, coordinate feeding sessions, and provide critical leadership during environmental stress, such as storms or human disturbances. Such structured, multi-generational learning underscores the orca's cultural depth and the importance of maintaining intact pods for population sustainability. Reproduction and juvenile development are central to species continuity. Females' extended maternal investment ensures calves acquire essential survival skills, from maneuvering through complex oceanic terrain to mastering advanced hunting strategies. Males mature later, relying on experience and social positioning to access mates. The slow reproductive rate, coupled with intensive maternal care, highlights the species' vulnerability to environmental pressures while emphasizing the evolutionary advantages of learning and intelligence in offspring survival. Human activity increasingly shapes the orca's world. Shipping lanes, pollution, overfishing, and climate change present mounting challenges. Some pods are forced to shift hunting grounds or adapt prey selection due to diminishing food sources. Pollution, particularly bioaccumulation of heavy metals and PCBs, affects health and reproductive success. Despite these pressures, orcas demonstrate remarkable adaptability, adjusting social behaviors, vocalizations, and foraging techniques to navigate human-altered environments. Conservation efforts focusing on habitat protection, sustainable fisheries, and reduced human interference are critical to preserve these apex predators and their role in oceanic balance. As the sun's rays penetrate the ocean depths, the orca exemplifies mastery over both environment and prey. Each breach, dive, and coordinated attack reflects not just raw power, but a sophisticated blend of intelligence, strategy, and social cohesion. Within pods, knowledge flows from matriarchs to juveniles, ensuring survival and ecological dominance across generations. These apex predators operate as both hunters and teachers, passing down complex hunting techniques, navigational knowledge, and social strategies critical for life in a dynamic marine environment. Orcas' ecological influence is profound and far-reaching. Their predation regulates populations of seals, fish, penguins, and smaller cetaceans, maintaining stability in marine food webs. The presence of orcas influences prey behavior, shaping schooling patterns, migratory routes, and habitat use. This cascading effect ensures ecological balance, illustrating that apex predators are central to ocean health. Each successful hunt, coordinated by intelligence and teamwork, reinforces the orca's role as both predator and keystone species. Social structure remains at the heart of survival. Pods are organized matrilineally, with older females guiding, protecting, and teaching younger members. Communication through clicks, whistles, and pulse calls allows coordination, social bonding, and even transmission of cultural knowledge unique to each pod. Juveniles learn not only the mechanics of hunting and navigation, but also subtleties of social behavior, hierarchy, and cooperative strategy. This extended learning period emphasizes intelligence, social complexity, and cultural transmission, traits that set orcas apart among marine mammals. Reproductive strategies and maternal investment are essential for population resilience. Females reproduce slowly, with long intervals between calves, investing years of nurturing and education in each offspring. Males, maturing later, often rely on social positioning and learned behaviors to gain reproductive opportunities. The careful orchestration of reproduction, social mentorship, and hunting skill acquisition underscores the evolutionary sophistication of the species, ensuring continuity despite environmental challenges. Human impacts pose significant threats, yet the orca's adaptability is remarkable. Changes in prey availability, pollution, and habitat disruption have forced adjustments in foraging strategies and pod movement. Yet, through social learning and behavioral flexibility, orcas navigate these challenges, demonstrating resilience and intelligence. Conservation efforts, including protected marine areas, sustainable fisheries, and pollution reduction, are crucial to support their continued dominance and ecological role. The orca's story is one of power, strategy, and social mastery, a symbol of intelligence and survival at the ocean's apex. Ultimately, the orca embodies the perfect balance of strength, cognition, and social sophistication. It is a predator, a teacher, a cultural conservator, and an ecological engineer. Observing an orca reveals more than hunting prowess. It unveils a complex, interconnected system of learning, adaptation, and environmental stewardship. In the vast expanse of the ocean, the orca reigns supreme, not merely as a predator, but as a master strategist, shaping the marine world with each calculated movement, every vocal call, and the enduring legacy of intergenerational knowledge.